Hi, my name is Ron Barsky. I own Bramer Automotive Service Center. And one of the most common questions we get over the phone, be it from our regular customers or just someone who's heard of us, is my service engine soon light or my check engine light is on. What do I do? So in order to answer the question, we have to ask a few questions first. The first question we would ask is, how's the car running? Because surprisingly, that'll tell you in a lot of cases what to do. If they say the car's running horribly, then we would say you have to get it to us or to a service center right away because that light's telling you there's something dramatically wrong with your car. How's my car running? Well, if your car's running just fine, right, then it could be, then the next question we would normally ask is, did you buy gas recently? Because if you just bought gas within 12 hours and you don't have a separate gas cap light, a lot of times if the gas cap isn't on right, that'll set your check engine light, okay? Unfortunately, the check engine light's like an idiot light, and it won't tell you whether things are good or bad, it'll just tell you that something happened. So the rule of thumb is, and in all cases it should be read and it should be scanned. Of course we have the scan tool here. But if the car's running okay, rule of thumb is, it's not serious, it can wait till you can get here. If the car's running horribly, shaking, any type of difference in the car's running, it's service it now. And that's basically what that's how we answer the check engine light. A lot of times to tighten the cap, and after 20 starts, the light will go out too, because the car checks itself when you start it, and if there's even a pinhole of air come through there, that will set the light off. Well, if they're a regular customer, we have all the information in the system. If not, we would hook up our Snap-on scan tool, or Solus, which is updated to 2012 right now, and we would read the system to see what the code was. If the check engine light's on, there's always what's called a corresponding 4-digit code. We would then see what that code meant, whether it was what they call a nuisance code, or if it's something real. If it's a nuisance code, our procedure is to clear it immediately and let the customer drive the car for a month. If it doesn't come back and it's a nuisance code, if it doesn't come back within 30 days, it's not going to come back. If it does come back in 30 days, we don't charge for a second time to look at it. At that point, we've recorded the code. If it's the same code again, we will deal with whatever it says the problem is. And that's how we proceed with codes.